Hey everybody, Ashley Page here. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's educational vlog. We're delighted that you're with us. Our topic today is the U.S. economy is looking to Brazil to solve its rare earth metals dependence problem. You've heard a lot about rare earths lately. Rare earth metals, because of their unique atomic structure, are used to create exceptionally strong magnets that are used throughout the American economy in these ways. One, electronics, computer hard drives, smartphones, and high-end audio equipment. Two is medical. MRI machines are very dependent on them, pacemakers, implants, hearing aids. Even their magnetic nanoparticles are also used in specifically targeted cancer treatments. The main one you hear about in the popular press, of course, is defense and industrial, precision-guided missiles, military aircraft, radar systems, and all types of robotics for a wide variety of U.S. industries. Fourth category is mobility, electric vehicle or EV traction motors, cordless power tools use them. So the United States now is attempting to rapidly develop what we call its mining the material to magnet capability to loosen China's significant control over our supply chains here in the United States. An excellent recent article in the Wall Street Journal by Samantha Pearson highlights the significant economic threat this imposes on our country. Currently, China has roughly 40% of global rare earth reserves in the ground, but it controls 90% of the global magnet production that goes into the four categories we just mentioned. For years, rare earths only generated kind of attention in mining circles. People really didn't know what they were. Actually, even the term, in air quotes, rare earth, is a misnomer among the general public. Many of these materials worldwide are as plentiful as copper or tin. However, the key is they are not found in large mineral seams like coal or iron ore like we have around here in Birmingham, but very limited plots of earth. And that's more of the origin of the term. The focus on rare earths changed in 2025, just last year, when China, rooted in trade tensions with the United States, imposed significant export controls. In turn, this started to highlight a major vulnerability in U.S. supply chains across a wide variety of applications. So like we do often in the United States, we sort of took on a Manhattan Project type effort to solve the problem. And we've turned to Brazil for this, which has the second largest concentration of rare earth metals in the world behind China. In addition to the US, Japan and the European Union are putting significant investments in Brazilian rare earth production. Here are the advantages of mining rare earth metals in Brazil as opposed to being dependent on China. First, not surprisingly, it's a friendly Western democracy with closer proximity to U.S. markets. Second, the country has cheap hydropower that is necessary for rare earth extraction. Third, the country has cheap labor cost. And finally, many of its rare earth reserves are embedded in clay, and that's much easier to mine than in hard rock applications in locations, for example, Australia like that. So what's the primary point we want you to know? In addition to national security interest, which you often hear about in the popular press, 4% of the U.S. GDP, or 1.2 trillion, is rare earth dependent. So it's way beyond just national defense. It's key to the economy here. When you look at it historically, you kind of go, well, what does this vulnerability compare itself to? Really, the best comparison is the energy crisis of the 1970s. So how long will it take Brazil to come online in rare earths? A couple of years out, 2028, to sort of mine, extract the minerals, and it'll be another 4 years to begin producing magnet-grade oxides to export. So we hope this information is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out to us on any social media platform if you have extra questions about it. Until then, always glad to see you in any way, shape, or form here at Five Plan Partners. Thanks.